Hi everyone. Have you got a Zanussi oven? Looks like just like this one. And you want to be able to clean the inner glass. Yeah, I think it's just as easy as raising these two clips off and pushing that out for both sides. Yeah, push that one out as well. Yeah, yeah, because I'm holding both, but yeah, it should be easy. And you've got it out and you can clean. And when you put it back, see that hole, it goes straight into that. Yeah, can you see it? If I can focus it, yeah. So slide it in, push it back in there. Yeah, do the same there, and you're able to just clip it back. Yeah, the same with this. Clip it back, and that goes in. That goes in as well. And that's it. Hope you found that useful. Cheers. Bye.